And what was the other crisis? The car. Oh, yeah. Hey, Flory Story. We are having a rough day. Look at Haleigh's face in the background.
I said, hey, Flory Story. I'm like,
we're having a rough day because we started off great. We were gonna load up and head to Denver, look around, and then head toward Wyoming. But then when Doug tried to back up the truck to hook up the RV, the truck wouldn't back up. So we tested it a while and it just wouldn't reverse. So then we tried to get to a repair shop and it wouldn't even go forward past 30 miles per hour. So anyway, he's currently at a transmission shop. We thought it might be fluids, but it's probably something else. And the place we're staying, they already are mad at us because our kids touched the water fish hole. I don't know. It's like a really grumpy KOA. So they're probably mad at us that we weren't able to pull our RV out. So we're gonna try and stay an extra day or two. We're gonna try and stay an extra day, and they're not gonna be happy. But we can't pull our RV out unless we can back the truck to hook it up. So we keep waiting for a day that's not like a crisis, but today's not that day. Also, we just went to look at Garden of the Gods, and poor Miles sat on a wood fence and then slid off and got 10 little splinters in his bum. So he's not very happy right now. So here we are at Walgreens. Carter ran in to get...
follow me on... Wait, no, that's... Follow me on Musically. Hey, I'm Haleigh.
Okay, she's on Musically. Like I was saying, Carter's getting hydrogen peroxide because I tried to pull out... There's like 10 splinters in his... Well, I got 3 out. I need to get 7 more. Poor guy. He's such a sweet guy too. I hate that he's hurt. And what was the other crisis? The car. Oh, yeah. Poor Carter. He's not here right now, but here's his pillow and blanket because he has had the flu for 3 days. Well, 2 days. And I'm hoping it's just 24-hour flu that goes away. But he has not been feeling good, and so we've experienced what it's like to be in an RV with the flu. And I'm really hoping
not us.
the other 5 kids don't get it. Or me.
I think I'm getting it because I don't feel very well.
Haleigh doesn't feel well, so that's not a good sign. So, anyway, that's the lowdown today. And I'm sad because we were going to do a lot of fun stuff, and we still might. We did Garden of the Gods. We're going to go see the statue house, and we were going to go to Denver and check out the really cool old-fashioned car museum. And there's a really nice restaurant in Denver. It's a Mexican restaurant where they have like a waterfall and divers, and it's fun. And apparently I have hiccups or something. I don't know. But anyway.
Burps.
I ate a hamburger from Sonic and it's not sitting well with me. Maybe I'm getting flu. Ah!
It's just what? It's burps. How's that? You getting flu?
Do a recap.
Did you find the sock yet?
What? S-I-R-T.
We're doing good and bad
Did you
stuff.
find the sock?
Today I chose to order the chicken fried steak with mashed potatoes and gravy, and the black-eyed peas and grilled corn, and it's going to be really good.
And And what else happened today?
And we're still in Colorado Springs today for a while because we had something go wrong with the truck. So we gotta figure it out.
Could have been worse. You could have been at a gas station, like in the middle of nowhere, and tried to back up and wouldn't have worked, something like that. At least it's in a city.
What's this?
And we're at Mom's favorite restaurant. Look at these strawberry lemonades.
No, I hate it. I don't. Nice talking.
Wait till you try the cornbread. So what happened to you today? Why not? It happens to everyone. He even has a splinter right now on his hand.
Lewis?
Wyatt does.
Why don't you guys get it out?
About it.
Don't speak about it.
Miles, guess what? Mom told me to take a secret picture of
I
you
already showed
while
him the
you were
secret.
doing it.
I showed him. He said, delete that.
No.
Not. And then you're gonna
I
say
told
the
Mom,
word.
I told Mom I was good. I was like, Mom, do this.
No, I was focusing.
You're like,
How was your day?
sad.
Is that
I
baloney
got
or
in the
what?
car and woke up early for nothing.
But it's ending well because we're at a good restaurant and we're going to
I've
take
never
a nice
gone
hot shower
here.
later.
He said if I don't like this place, I could go to
You will
Domino's or
like
Subway.
this. You will like it. It's good.
If I like it, will you still give me a Domino's pizza?
You'll be full.
I really want it.
You will be so full when we leave here. Trust me, it's good.
I really want a Domino's pizza though.
What's the name of this place?
Black Eyed Peas. What's that, Black Eyed Pea?
Black Eyed Peas.
This is what Louis thinking.
Who's the Black Eyed Pea?
No.
All right, we're at my favorite restaurant, Black Eyed Pea, and look at Haley's dinner. And look at her face. Heaven. Look at Dad's dinner.
Here, little guy.
Thank you.
I don't know if you can see it. We look like freaks videoing people. Chicken fried steak, grilled corn. Here's mine. Chicken fried steak, corn and mashed potatoes.
Oh, it's mine.
Check out this roll. Nice.
And then there's Lewis's. Look how great his looks.
This place is so good.
Exactly like that. Yeah. So now that it looks exactly like that. Generator or compression or air gun or something like that. Okay. They're PowerPoint takeoffs.
Okay, that's brake.
This is brake
right?
controller here. These are power takeoffs. Or like if you wanted to run a pneumatic gun or something like that, some power, you use the engine.
Compressor or something.
Yes, exactly.
Have it's got a diesel cluster. Yes, exactly. Yeah. That's what all the newer diesels
Compared to the one ton, 450, you really step up in brakes.
Where's the brakes? What are you looking at?
The size of the brake calipers, they're much bigger than a one ton. See, look at that. There's a 3/4 right there. See the difference between the two? It's like little truck, big truck.
Comment guy.
Oh, triple skid plates, which it has plates underneath it, has three.
Protecting like
here,
the underbody.
Yeah, underneath it.
So there's like
So-
a giant
Plate covering the underneath. The transmission differential. It is. Most of them come with one, but you get the FX4 package, you get three skid plates underneath.
Oh,
It's like an off-road
gotcha.
package. So if you go off-road and you're bouncing
not
around on
hitting
some
stuff.
rocks or
Okay.
something like that, it won't. The plate will protect the underbody of the
what
truck.
was the other thing you said?
The Rancho shocks, which are upgraded shock absorbers. The red one, yeah, red one. There's a Rancho. Those are just, that's a brand name, but they're the best in the business. So it's a little stiffer suspension because it's an off-road package they put on it. So that's what that includes. The King Ranch, what the King Ranch is the paint. It's the two-tone like this.
Yeah.
But you can get that in a Lariat, but the main thing about the King Ranch
It is green.
is
So, is there like what's the history of this truck? Is there one owner, 5 owners?
I suspect that it's one, but I'll run I'll do a Carfax on it and find out.
Let's do a test drive, Doug.
Let me get my plate.
This thing's a beast.
If it has 373s, it's 21.5. If it has
The gears.
430 gears, then it's 24.5.
So how many gears does this have?
How do we know? No.
We'll call service. I give them the VIN number. They can tell me what rear end's in it.
Truck have the temperatures?
And this one seems like it has another temperature thing on it.
Can you see out your side mirrors okay?
Yeah, I can see.
So the dually wheels stick out?
Oh,
little?
yeah. You got them big fenders in the back sticking out.
Can you see them? Some of these guys with these big old trucks, whether it's Dodge or whatever, and they're going up the hill and it's just
Right. This will go up the hill.
We had a
With your
6.0,
trailer.
and what is this one?
yeah, with the
6.7.
6.7. And the difference is what?
Huge. I'll show when I get back. I'll show you the horsepower and the torque. Torque is pulling power. This has like twice or more than what your old
Okay.
truck had.
That seemed to go up the hill pretty easily. What you think, Doug?
Go up that hill 80 miles an
Yeah. I'm trying to figure that out just because I just want to confirm and double check everything. Is there another name I should be looking for? Or another word? Thank you again. Bye-bye. This sounds good. Bring in the paperwork and we'll double check everything and I'll get you connected to the sales guy for the page.
Okay. See that freight? See that freight right there? Right there. See that freight right there? It held our new transmission for our truck up there. And that is what we've been waiting for 2 weeks here in Colorado to get shipped. It's been very frustrating. We had an extended warranty and they kept arguing with us over and over and it got delayed in shipping and finally it got here today and luckily the mechanics have been really nice to just get started fast at Gunnison Foreign and Domestic Transmission Repair. They've been really nice and they're putting all their men on it today because we've been waiting here for weeks, and so hopefully by the end of today, early tomorrow, we'll have this new transmission put in so that way we can finalize the trade of this truck.
That's when they'll use the air brake. 'Cause the truck will come down, right? And then I'll
You can raise it up. What you do is these two different switches.
That's another app, okay. First to show you. Now, there is something I couldn't find. First, let me show you this right here. Right, so this is the left side.
Driver's side?
Watch the back end. You hit it down.